Hi, my name is Melissa Powell, and today I'm going to help show you how to find the domain and range of a line by looking at the graph. To find the domain of the x values, first you must look at the x-axis that is labeled for you on this graph. After you do that, you must look at the bottom of the red line to find where that point is. To find that point, you must follow the end of the red line up towards the x-axis. On this graph, it happens to be -2. Once you have done that step, you will look at the top of the red line towards the x-axis. In this case, the point is 2. To find the y values of this line, you must look at the y-axis that is labeled on this graph for you as well. After you have found the y-axis, look at the bottom of the red line and follow the line towards the y-axis to find the point on this graph. It happens to be -3. Once you have done this, look at the top of the red line and follow it towards the y-axis. In this case, the point is 2. For this line, to find the x values, you must look at the x-axis. Because it is a straight line going through the x-axis, there is only one x value. Because the line is going through the 2 on the x-axis, the answer is 2. To find the range for the y values, normally to find the y values, you would follow the first and last points on the line towards the y-axis. However, this line is constant, meaning that it goes on forever. So there are no specific y values, meaning that the answer is all real numbers. If you still are having troubles understanding, I recommend going to your math notes to review lesson 125. For this line, we are going to be finding the x and y values. First, you must look at the x-axis. After that, you will look at any ending points along the x-axis on this graph. There is only one, which happens to be -2. To find the y values, you must look at the y-axis. After that, you will notice there are no points along the axis. However, there are arrows, which that is because these lines go on forever, meaning that there are no specific points. Therefore, the range of y values is all real numbers. Once again, if you are still having troubles, check out your math notes from lesson 125.